Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 6 adverb. Chapter 6 adverb. Standard 5 chapter 6 adverb. Adverb. It is a verb that adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now examples are given. Ram drives fast. Nina never helps me. Mary replied carefully. Rekha is quite rich. John speaks very rudely to his mother. In example first, second and third, the adverb adds meaning to the verb. In fourth and fifth, the adverb adds meaning to the adjective and to the adverb respectively. So dear friends, now what are the adverbs? Okay, the action which are doing or which are giving meaning or which are showing meaning to the verb, that is called the adverb. Now kinds of adverb. Read the following sentences. Shilpa writes very slowly. The baby is sleeping soundly. The students say these prayers daily in the school. The river overflowed its banks yesterday. The ship sank here. Okay, now each whatever verb shows ly or it shows some meaning to the verb, okay, it is called adverb. So we will move to the I will read some examples for you. In sentences first, second, the words slowly, soundly show us more about the verbs. Writes and sleep is sleeping respectively. They show us how the action is being done. The verb that shows how an action is being done is called an adverb of manner. In sentences third and fourth, the word daily and yesterday show us the time when the action is being done. The word that shows when an action is being done is called an adverb of time. That means the adverb will come in the time also, in the counts. Okay, first, second, third, now, then. In sentence fifth and word here shows where the place of action took place. Such words are called adverb of place. Now we are going to see exercise 6.a. Put a box around the verb. Adverb. Now dear students, I will show you the 5 examples. Rest all you can do it as homework. So the first example is all the day before it had rained heavily. So the heavily is a adverb. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. So equally is adverb. He never played a selfish game. Never will come adverb. Skillfully he took the ball away from the German defender. So the skillfully will come as an adverb. He immediately returned to the field. Immediately will come as an adverb. So dear students, there are many examples. I have just shown you 5. Rest all you can do for your homework. We'll move to the next page. 6th B. Exercise. Find at least 3 suitable adverbs for each of the following verb. One example has been given for you. Okay, that is first verb is given talk. Adverb talk politely, talk slowly. So politely and slowly is a adverb. So there are some more: walk, speak, study, sing, work. I have sold. If you want to add your own, you can add your own. Otherwise you can write as I have written. Now walk. Walk fastly, walk carefully, walk slowly. Speak quietly, speak loudly. Study hardly, study slowly. Sing loudly, sing melodiously. Walk slowly, walk hardly. Okay, find the opposite of the following adverb. Hard, easy, early, late, quickly, slowly. Now dear students, here there are some more. You will do it as for your homework. Okay, next exercise 6C, change the meaning by changing the adverb. I have done to, rest all you can do. First, speak gently, speak harshly. Come in, come out. Hit the stone with the hammer. Okay, this also you have to change the meaning. You can write as your own, or you can write as I have told you. Hit the stone hard. Hit the stone slowly. Okay, or hit the stone slow with the hammer. You can write that. Okay, so now we have finished adverb. Okay, dear students, you know what are the adverb. I have explained you already. So you will read the whole lesson and you will solve the rest all which I have left for you as a homework. Thank you.